Some of the biggest names in tech are investing in a startup called Figure AI Incorporated. Which makes you wonder how Figure's robot compares to Tesla's Optimus and whether there is a rivalry between them. Figure AI Incorporated is a company that is developing a general-purpose humanoid robot that can perform various tasks in the workforce, such as manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, and retail. The company was founded in 2021 by Brett Adcock, a former engineer at Google and SpaceX, and has attracted some of the world's leading robotics experts to its team. According to Bloomberg, Figure is raising about $675 million in a funding round that values the company at roughly $2 billion. Some of the investors include Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon and Blue Origin, NVIDIA, the leading maker of graphics chips and AI hardware, Microsoft, the software giant and cloud provider, and OpenAI, the research organization co-founded by Elon Musk. Why are these big tech names backing Figure? There are several possible reasons. One is that they see the potential of humanoid robots to revolutionize various industries and create new markets. Humanoid robots can operate in environments that are designed for humans and use tools and machines that humans use. They can also interact with humans in a natural and intuitive way and learn from them. This could make them more versatile and adaptable than other types of robots and enable them to perform tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or boring for humans. Another reason is that they want to leverage Figure's technology and expertise for their own products and services. For example, Bezos could use Figure's robots to enhance his space exploration and tourism ventures, or to improve Amazon's delivery and warehouse operations. NVIDIA could use Figure's robots to showcase its AI and computing capabilities, or to expand its presence in the robotics market. Microsoft could use Figure's robots to integrate its cloud and software platforms, or to offer new solutions to its enterprise customers. OpenAI could use Figure's robots to advance its research and vision of creating artificial general intelligence, or to collaborate with Figure on developing ethical and safe AI. A third reason is that they want to compete with or challenge Tesla, the electric car and energy company led by Musk, who is also a rival of Bezos. Tesla is also developing its own humanoid robot, called Optimus, which it announced at its AI Day event in August 2021. Optimus is designed to use the same AI system that Tesla is developing for its self-driving cars, and to do anything that humans don't want to do. Is there a rivalry between Figure and Tesla? It is possible, since both are pursuing the same goal of creating a general-purpose humanoid robot, and both have ambitious and visionary leaders. There may also be some competition for talent, funding, and market share in the future. However, there may also be some collaboration and cooperation between them, since both are part of the OpenAI ecosystem, and both share a common interest in advancing the field of AI and robotics. Moreover, there may be room for both of them in the market, since they may target different segments and applications, and offer different features and benefits to their customers and users